If your Chrome page suddenly looks too big, too small, or just doesn't feel right, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way to reset Chrome zoom back to normal. This is a super simple fix, and it works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. So if you accidentally zoomed in or out and want to get everything back to the default view, you're in the right place. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. The easiest way to reset Chrome zoom is by using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and 0 at the same time. That means Ctrl plus 0. On a Mac, press Command and 0 at the same time. That means Command plus 0. As soon as you do that, Chrome will immediately return the zoom level to normal. No menus, no settings. And no extra steps. If you were zoomed in because you accidentally held Ctrl and scrolled your mouse wheel, this shortcut is the perfect way to undo it instantly. It's also useful if a website looks distorted, or if the text on the page seems much larger or smaller than usual. Just remember, this shortcut resets the zoom for the current tab or page you're viewing, so if another website is still zoomed differently, you may need to repeat the same shortcut there too. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work right away, make sure the Chrome window is active and you're pressing the correct keys for your device. On Windows and Linux, that is Ctrl plus 0. On Mac, that is Command plus 0. Once you press it, you should see the page snap back to the default zoom level instantly. This is one of the quickest Chrome tips you can learn, and it saves you from having to dig through browser menus just to fix a simple zoom issue. So the next time Chrome looks too big or too small, just use that shortcut and you'll be back to normal in seconds. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy browser tips and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.